How to remove Tesla Model 3 taillights in just 2 minutes. Now we are going to remove the taillights, and in order to do that, we do need to take the inside cover of the trunk off, because there is a wiring harness and a bolt or a nut, one 8mm nut that we got to take off. And other than that, it's two 8mm bolts here, one here and one here. I'll show you guys that here in a second. So we're going to go ahead and start by removing this cover. And to start by doing that, move that guy there. It's just plastic clips that hold this guy on. So we just go around and carefully remove all those clips. And then it's just one wiring harness here for your button. Okay, one wiring harness off there. We can go ahead and set this inside here if we want. Just be careful of that. Move that. Kind of tuck that wiring harness away. And now, it's one wiring harness here. It does have one of those red clip pieces. You don't want to. So yeah, this red piece all the way back, and then push down on it a little bit and pull out. Then there's our 8mm nut that I was talking about. And then we have one 8mm bolt and second 8mm bolt. So we're going to go ahead and remove both of those, or all three of those, I should say. One, removed. Two. And three. Now the taillight is ready to come out. Now at this point, it should just pull right out. If it doesn't, you might need to use a little pry tool in a couple of these spots. But just as you've seen, it just pulled right out. No big deal.